Energy is absolutely key for the world. It's key for everyone in it, and sustainable energy is the only way to go forward.
It is becoming increasingly important for business leaders all over the world to be able to integrate issues such as carbon risks and climate mitigation into business decisions, and especially here in Asia.
Today is really exciting because MBA classes and students are the people that will make a huge difference.
We've been collaborating with NUS to be able to help raise awareness of the importance of impact and impact investing, especially in Southeast Asia. And I love collaborating with the MBA program to really bring to life what all of these concepts about environmental, social, and governance challenges means in a real-life business context. The purpose of the event today was to create an experiential learning program. We really wanted to help the students understand what it means to run an impact deal flow, the challenges that exist for business leaders to make these decisions, and the contrast that often exists when we look at how to balance environmental, social, and strong governance in deal structuring.
I learned about impact investing and sustainability in regards to the Asian business landscape. And I learned that there's really different models depending on the country, how developed they are, especially when it comes to premium green credits. These can really vary in their effectiveness depending on how developed the economies are.
The first thing that I've learned, generally speaking, from this session was, the whole due diligence process that goes into the impact investing. But I think at the same time, what was brought up was the complexity that goes into ESG reporting. And as a company, if you want to really be a responsible company, what are the ripple effects that you need to think about?
This is a great opportunity for our students to get a completely different perspective on how business is viewed and conducted around the world. We've had great examples of Asian businesses and of Asian business models that we just don't have the same access to and insight about with our great faculty. So our students are able to take away learnings with a new focus on business opportunities.
I think working with NUS MBA students is always expected that the experience will be amazing, but I think today is even beyond that. Through the immersive experience today, seeing how the students work in real life, in real time, it really gave me a good insight to how the NUS MBA programs work, how it really brings out the capabilities and unique skills of each and every student, and while also integrating their personal experience within their learnings as well.
So this particular session has been very helpful in guiding me through the thought process. What do I need to think about as a leader who wants to be more socially responsible, who wants my company to be more socially responsible? That's something that we really need to consider, and this was the takeaway that today's session kind of gave to me and what I will apply to my post-MBA career.
So I really think we live in a really interconnected global world where the supply chains really span throughout the world. And while we think about sustainability, it's essential to understand the perspectives of peoples from different parts of the world, regardless of where you're operating your business, because products that you make have supply chains that touch huge parts of the world that you may not visit, you may not be a part of, but you need to ensure that you're building products with them in mind.
I had a really good time. It was a really insightful and inspiring session today.
We hope to achieve in this event that the students walk away with a greater awareness of how important it is to strengthen their understanding of environmental and social impact in the careers and pathways that they're choosing in their next step.